Brody is wild.
What are you guys doing?
He does not stop. He does not take naps.
Daddy?
We all need time to breathe. Hi, I'm Alex. My husband's name is David. We have a 3.5-year-old Brody and a 6-year-old German Shepherd, Cade. So my husband travels a lot for work. I'm like in the middle of a helicopter parent. So I mean, if I don't hear him for a little bit, I get a little bit worried. You know, what's he getting into? What's he jumping off of? It is very easy to say, Brody, want to watch a 15-minute show? I am not against screen time, but I think it also is important for him to feel comfortable to leave me and go to his room and have a little reading area so he can do that as well. Reading is something that he loves to do. I just feel like we need more encouragement in an area that he feels safe in and comfortable.
Mommy?
Yes?
I saw my bed.
You were showing her your bed?
Yeah.
Well, this is Brody. He's 3.5.
I want Daddy.
You want Daddy?
Yeah.
Well, Daddy's gonna be home in 10 minutes.
Daddy's home.
I'm home. Where's Mommy?
Daddy's home? This is his room. We've got a little chair here that we use to read books at night. We've got his bed, which is super fun with the slide. You wanna show us how you do it? Climb up.
Wow.
And how do you go down? Whoa.
Well, that's one way to do
it. So cool. And then as you can see here, this is the mess of the book collection that we have, which, is it kind of hard to get your books out of there?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can't see what's at the bottom, right? But don't you think it would be so cool to do a little reading nook over there? So this is our idea, is to move this dresser out into the other guest room, and we'll have a bunch of books there, maybe a little chair.
Yeah, you gotta do something from the ceiling, be able to pull
maybe
things down.
put some color with some art.
Some art. Come here, you wanna go shopping? Come
See
here.
what I'll say, Rob.
Let's go shopping. Hey. You see anything on there that you want? Anything for you?
I think we should start out with like the focal point, which would be bookshelves. I'm thinking white.
Okay.
I want more of a floating shelf.
Okay, so like a mounted on the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, 4.5 stars out of 225 reviews. Just add it to the cart, you didn't even have to favorite. I think that's the one.
I was thinking a chair,
I think we should do something funky, something different.
maybe a beanbag chair.
Beanbag chair, a hammock, something cool. Let's see what they got.
All right, so I really like this one, but looking at the product overview, it's not machine washable.
That's a must.
That's a must.
Yeah,
All right,
have to have
so we need to go back to the drawing board. Child-proof closure. Looks like it's refillable too. I think this one's it.
I think this is it.
Yeah, this is definitely it. We need some type of art to help everything come together.
Let's see what we can find.
Let's narrow this down. All wall art. Let's look at
Boy.
for a boy.
Educational. That's perfect.
Perfect. All right, I think I really like this one. This is the hand-drawn alphabet art.
Yep, that's perfect. Plus it adds more color, so we need more of that in there as well. Make sure to throw those elephant ones on there too. He's gonna love that.
Oh, this is really cute. It'll actually match his bed.
Yeah.
I think he'll love this. It has
A little chalkboard on it.
a little
right?
chalkboard on it. I think we've got everything we need. Then it'll be such a fun surprise for him to actually see what we picked out. He can go up in his room and read, and we can go have a cocktail on the patio.
See you out there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Brody, look at, hey, look at it.
Whoa.
I can sleep in here.
I think it looks really, really good.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out.
I love that he now has an area to read in, and then he's got his cute little tent that he can sleep in if he wants to.
With the reading nook, we really wanted to make it something that he can get away from the digital side and the tablets and really get into reading.
I love that all his books are on display and not just thrown into a big bucket.
Because we read every single night, so it's gonna be nice for him to be able to select things and see it.
What are you gonna do in your tent?
I'm gonna play.
Play, and are you gonna maybe read some books?
Maybe.
His love of animals is very strong. He loves elephants, and we really want to tie that into the room. Cade, what do you think about the room? Do you like, it?
You can sleep in there with your brother.
I have a bed named here and here and here.
Yep.
See you later.
The space feels amazing. It feels super homey. It definitely was what we were looking for and what we were missing. He does have a lot of energy. He's very rambunctious, and everyone needs a second, and it gives us some time to relax.